Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe with your FreshBooks account. So this is going to be particularly useful when you want to actually accept payments on your FreshBooks account or via Stripe, I should say. So in order to actually do that, make sure to follow this video step by step to learn how to connect or link your Stripe account with FreshBooks. So what we're going to do first is go onto our FreshBooks account, and then on the left-hand side navigation bar, you want to go ahead and click on the drop-down menu for payments. So when you click on payments, just go ahead and click on it. This tab here is going to appear. So right next to payments on the right hand side, you're going to see this button called more actions. So you're going to click on more actions and then click on payment settings. So go ahead and click on more actions and then click on accept online payments. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see this account settings, and then you're going to see an option to connect with Stripe. And then you're also going to see an option to connect with PayPal. Obviously, the one that you want to connect is with Stripe. So go ahead and click on connect with Stripe. And so from here, it's going to be a series of prompts. So it's pretty much straightforward from here as far as how to actually connect FreshBooks with Stripe. I'm actually not going to go fully through with the process just because it's going to have a lot of sensitive information and such. But with that, after you fill out all the forms and prompts, it should have taken less than 2 or 3 minutes to actually do this. That is how you actually go ahead and connect Stripe with FreshBooks. So if anyone knows of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.